Welcome back to my channel. We have a alphabet sheet with some missing alphabets. Let's complete the missing alphabets in this sheet with different colors. Let's start. We have a brown, blue, green and red. Let's start now. Please practice with me. You will improve your writing. Let's start with the brown. Brown. What is this letter? A. A. A for apple. A for apple. What is the next letter? It's B. It's B. Can we color this B with the blue? Okay. Let's color this B with the blue. And B for blue. We will coloring B is with the blue and B for blue. What is the next letter? It's C. Can we color this C with this green color? Let's do it. Let's color this C with the green color. C. C for cup. C for cup. What is the next letter? It's a D. Can we color this D with this orange? Let's do it. D. D. D for doll. D for doll. Can we color this E with the brown? Let's do it. E. E. E for engine. E for engine. Can we color this F with this blue color? Let's do it. F. F. F for fruit. F for fruit. What is the next letter? G. G. Can we color this? Can we draw the G with the green color? Let's do it. G. G. G for grass. G for grass. What is the next letter? Is H. Can we color this H with this red? Let's do it. It's H. H. H for hair. H for hair. What is the next letter? I. Can we color this I with the brown? Let's do it. I. I for iron. I for iron. What is the next letter? It's J. Can we color this J with the blue? Let's do it. J. J. J for jug. J for jug. What is the next letter? Can we color this with the green? Let's do it. It's K. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. What is the next letter? It's L. Can we color this L with this red? Let's do it. It's L. L. L for lady. L for lady. What is the next letter? It's M. M. Can we color this M with the brown? Let's do it. M. M for mountain. M for mountain. What is our next letter? It's N. N. Can we color this N with the blue? Let's do it. N. N. N for nuts. N for nuts. Can we color this O with this green? Let's do it. O. O. O for ox. O for ox. What is the next letter? Q. What is the next letter? It's P. P. Can we color this P with this red? Let's do it. It's P. P for paint. P for paint. What is the next letter? It's over here. It's going to be a Q. Q. Can we color this Q with the brown color? Let's do it. It's a Q. Q. Q for quill. Q for quill. What is the next letter? R. Can we color this R with the blue? Let's do it. R. R. R for radio. R for radio. What is the next letter? It's S. Can we color this S with the green? Let's do it. S. S. S for shark. S for shark. What is the next letter? It's T. Can we color this T with the red? Let's do it. T. T. T for teacher. T for teacher. What is the next letter? It's U. U. Can we color this U with the brown color? Let's do it. U. U. U for uncle. U for uncle. What is the next letter? It's V. Can we color this with the blue? Let's color this with the blue. V. V for violet. V for violet. What is the next letter? It's W. W. Can we color this W with the green? See, we color this W with the green. W for wolf. W for wolf. What is the next letter? X. X. Can we color this X with the red? Let's do it. X. X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. What is the next letter? It's Y. Can we color this Y with the brown? Y. Y for yoga. Y for yoga. What is the next letter? It's Z. It's Z. Can we color this Z with this blue? Let's do this. Z. Z for zero. Z for zero. We are finished our worksheet. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. We will meet soon. Bye bye kids.